Why was there no immediate Space Shuttle successor? Imagine a spacecraft that could take humans to space, carry large cargo, and land like an airplane. That was the goal of the Space Shuttle. It was a marvel of its time, but it also faced many challenges. The reason there was no quick follow-up to the shuttle is a mix of technical, financial, and safety issues. The shuttle program lasted about 30 years, but it was very expensive to run. Each launch cost hundreds of millions of dollars, and the turnaround time between flights was longer than expected. Two major accidents, Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003, showed how risky the shuttle design was. These tragedies made NASA and the government very cautious. They didn't want to rush into building a new spacecraft that might have similar safety problems. Instead, they took time to rethink and develop new options. NASA looked into different kinds of spacecraft. Some ideas involved advanced winged vehicles, similar to the shuttle but safer and cheaper. Others focused on capsule designs, which are smaller and more straightforward. But creating a new spacecraft that matched or exceeded the shuttle's capabilities was very difficult. It had to carry large cargo, support crew, and land safely. Developing such a vehicle would take many years and a lot of money. Budget constraints also played a big role. NASA had to prioritize ongoing missions to the International Space Station and other projects. Funding was limited, so they couldn't afford to build a new spacecraft right away. Political decisions and changing priorities meant many of the proposed follow-on programs were canceled or delayed. After the Columbia accident, NASA shifted focus to capsule-based spacecraft like the Orion crew module. These are designed mainly for deep space missions and emergency escapes, not routine trips to low Earth orbit. Meanwhile, NASA relied on Russian Soyuz spacecraft and later on commercial American vehicles like SpaceX's Crew Dragon to send astronauts to the space station. This transition affected how astronauts trained and how missions were planned. The shuttle had a large cargo bay and could land on runways, which meant special training and procedures. The new capsules are smaller, launch on rockets, and splash down in the ocean. This change meant astronauts had to learn new skills and adapt to different mission profiles. In the end, the reason there was no immediate successor to the Space Shuttle is because of its high costs, safety concerns from accidents, technical difficulties in developing a new vehicle, and shifting priorities. This led to a period of transition where NASA used other spacecraft to keep crew and cargo moving while working on future exploration systems beyond low Earth orbit.